What are you doing?
I got Vincent a book.
Are you going to give it to him?
Are you crazy? He'd never read it then. Honey, can you come to the bedroom, please?
Again?
I was changing the bed and something primal took over.
How do you even do this?
Just help. Mom, can I have more juice? Can we go to the moon on Saturday? What happens when we die? Well, where do babies come from? Is it snack time? How many bees are there? Exactly. Okay, so are ninjas real? Where is my sock? Do trees fart? Please stop. I can't take any more of my questions. Tweet. Oh, that's a decoration, sweetie. Tweet. Almost. That's a tree. Tweet. That's another kid's parent. Tweet.
Oh.
That's a bank vault. Wow, that carrot of hand fast. You've been gaming all day. You need to stop and get some exercise. Disregard. If you find the four-leaf clover, you'll have good luck. That should keep them busy. I wonder where that tradition came from. That should keep them busy.
What's all this now?
I peeled his banana.
It's gotta get easier, right? I mean, there's terrible tools and grenades, but I've never heard a name for.
Internet says it's fucking force.
Is that?
I know.
What it looks like?
I know.
What?
I know. Look, we are parents now. And a big part of that is pretending our child's favorite cuddly isn't a badly censored dick. Can I get this cool cup?
Robot? At this hour?
He's watching his stories. I think spooky season is making him squirrely. Oh, look at his little guy. He's cute. He's pooping. Mom! What is it? Oh my, did you do this? No. Are you lying? I don't remember. We are sorry, Mrs. Wereket. My stack is haunted and kind of in a hole. We are not very cats, weirdo. Yeah, we are just cats.
Are you really?
Then what do we wear cats look like over there?
Can it be destroyed?
I want one. Wait, so what do cats look like over there? Let's be best friends. Off to walk you go, Dr. Princess. Dad! Unleash the zombie alien horde, Mr. Pips. He's teething. More cloth? Don't you think they have enough?
Why did we even have kids if we're not gonna put them in all the nerd stuff we can fit into?
I want this one.
No.
And this is called a dictionary. You can't say dick, teacher. My daddy says only he is allowed to use it word on bad guys. And I'm definitely not allowed to say it to you. Teacher? A baby spoon? I am a big boy.
That's
I am a big boy. I am a big girl. I made you a healthy snack. Looks gross. Hard pass. He eats so well. You're so clever. Such a good mom.
Isn't that for kids?
I'm carrying out the middleman. Sword, sword, sword. Sword, sword, sword. Not you. Sword, sword, sword. Pew, pew, pew. Sword, sword, sword.
Actually, pew pew was better.
Get baby to sleep. I'm Descula Faceband, and I will end your line with steel and fire. I will burn the ashes of the smoking memories that is you, and then I will stop the beat. All will fall before my wrath. I am the chef on your doom, and you will dine upon despair. You will break your fast upon horror. And for lunch, decapitation, most probably.
I'm Glissando, Moon Sinner, Salt Talker, Robot, and Count of the Dogwood Forest. Heir to the throne of whispers, tragically betrayed, banished and bound to wander the night, for the simple crime of being too handsome and mistress.
My name's Shonty Guy. I got a sword and a horsey and another sword and 5 sword also. I kill all the bad guys but not good guys mostly. I like eating candies and a pizza too, and I got a cape. And I'm a knight, and my name is Hedgehog, and I'm magic.
Always adventurous!
I win! Thanks for the playdate. Our boys really seem to have hit it off. So, are you into sports? No. You like horror movies? No. We don't have to talk. Oh, thank God. This place looks so fun. You just need to sign this map. No problem. I understand my children may die a gruesome death, and it will be 100% my fault. And what was I even thinking bringing them to this trap? I should have just stayed home forever and kept them in a box. What a horrible parent I am. Sign now or your children will cry. So fun.